Last night, we first showed you these photos taken in Oroville. A post from police saying a tornado may have touched down.
And tonight we can confirm the National Weather Service says an EF1 tornado did touch down on the ground for about 2 minutes. It happened around 5:40 last night. ABC 10's Garshpal Sangha is live in Oroville tonight. And Garshpal, I know you spoke to people who say they heard the whole thing.
Yeah, Chris, and some people say they felt like they were in the middle of a very powerful earthquake because their homes was shaking back and forth, but instead the National Weather Service of Sacramento confirming it was indeed an earthquake. And this is one of the sites that had that damage from this tornado. So we're here at this apartment complex called the Highlands. This is one of many sites that had the damage, but you can see this is a carport that you're looking at. Luckily, no cars were underneath it when it came down, but it's because of that large tree that brought everything down. And luckily it missed that big building, but people are just thankful that it didn't cause any more damage. Strong wind gusts picking up just feet away from where the National Weather Service of Sacramento say a tornado touched down in Oroville.
It sounded like a train coming straight through here.
That sound being felt by many living at or near the Highland apartment complex on Cherokee Road.
Shocking just to have something like that big go over so quick and easy.
Several trees uprooted, crashing down on carports. Luckily, no cars were parked underneath. Matthew Jemison lives nearby.
Yeah, it's probably the closest I've seen, closest I ever want to be.
National Weather Service officials say the tornado traveled less than a half a mile, was 90 yards wide, and had a maximum winds of 90 miles per hour. The tornado touched down for a total of 2 minutes in the area of La Palma Drive and Table Mountain Boulevard before it disappeared.
I just heard a boom. I didn't know what it was, though.
And that boom was?
Yeah, this big old tree right here. This tree is about 30, 40 feet. So if it would have hit that house right there, or if somebody would have been standing right here, it would have been a mess.
Fortunately, that was not the case.
I'm just glad nobody was hurt.
Many in North Oroville are grateful the damage wasn't worse.
It just makes you count your blessings sometimes, because like little stuff like this it's like a natural disaster, but it can be, anything can happen to you at any time.
And back out here live, crews have removed some of the debris today, but the cleanup continues. But this was a close call. Many hope that they don't have to deal with again. But Chris and Laura, it is hard to take a look at this damage and learn that no one was injured.
Yeah, Garshpal, I can tell that you are stunned just by how devastating that damage is, and thankfully no one was hurt. We have certainly seen how destructive and deadly tornadoes can be. Again, in that case, no one has been hurt, but we will keep following this as that cleanup continues. Garshpal, thank you.